Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's March 23rd, 2011. The traders this morning seem to be in a buying time mode here. Grain markets are pretty much unchanged to slightly higher. We've got a little higher trade there yet at the close of the electronic trade. However, the dollar is strengthening. The dollar up 33. It's the first time we've seen the dollar up in several days. Crude oil higher again, 42 higher. And gold market's up about $6. Dollar stronger because of Portugal's government on the verge of failing, as the prime minister there said that he is going to resign if the parliament don't take some massive steps to cut spending in order to get their economy back in line. So that is on the forefront there, and is giving the euro some issues here this morning, causing the dollar to strengthen or rebound from its recent lows. In the grain market, not a lot of news, a lot of smaller factors, I guess. Traders are sitting there waiting until we get the stocks report and the planting intentions report out next week, Thursday, on the 31st. The northern corn belt continues to get some more moisture, a couple inches of snow across that area again here overnight. Which is snow on top of snow, and concerned about the snow melt and flooding, and also just overall planting progress. Or is it going to melt and the ground be ready to plant here by late in April? So some concerns there. We are still on China watch. Did China buy some corn last week? The buying arm of the Chinese government said no, we didn't buy any corn last week on that sell-off, and that caused some pressure in the corn market yesterday. However, we did rebound, and we still have got traders still have got the hope anyway that China did buy some corn. So that's continuing to be a supportive factor to the market. Argentina and Brazil. Brazil mainly is getting a little drier, taking some of the moisture out of that forecast, but still slowing down harvest. In northern Brazil, quality still a problem or a concern at this point in time, and that is keeping the trading of grain and soybeans in Brazil at a standstill, as producers take a wait-and-see approach there, expecting prices to firm up because of the quality problems that might exist because of the moisture. The wheat trade, you had the UN FAO come out yesterday and say that they expect the wheat production in the world to increase by about 3.4% here in 2011. Could be a little bit cause a little weight to the wheat market here this morning. We still have got the spread between corn and wheat continuing to favor wheat. That spread is at a 11-year low right now as far as corn price relationship to wheat. So something to monitor there. As a feed value, we're looking at lows all the way back to 1996 levels. So that's why we're seeing when you hear export sales, the export sales are for feed wheat rather than corn, because corn is overpriced on the world feed market. In the livestock trade, cutout values of beef were higher yesterday. Choice up 70 cents, select up about 8 cents. Cold storage came out, raised the storage of beef about 6 million pounds, which not too concerning to the trade. The more concerning issue was in the pork, where we've seen an increase there of about 39 million pounds, raising the total pork in storage up to 578 million pounds. The cash markets, as far as the cattle go, we had cash trade yesterday in Texas, 113 to 114 in the north. reports of 185 being traded in Nebraska. Pork complex cutout values there were a little higher. We think the pork and beef are finding support because of Japan and export business to Japan, that the Japanese are going to need to buy more readily available protein, which would more than likely be meat, and because there is some talk that they have, the U.S. Announced here this morning that they are not accepting any imports of food from the region of the tsunami and the reactor. So the first country to restrict imports of Japanese products. So something to be monitoring very closely, and should provide some support for the livestock market here in the short term. So look for a quieter day in the grains as the traders take a wait and see approach. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.